Breaking news just minutes ago from Iran. What the military there is now admitting about that downed Ukrainian plane. But first, a Fox News at Night exclusive. Tonight, brand new pictures from the scene of the successful U.S. airstrike that killed Iran's top military general Qassem Soleimani. You will see those images only here on Fox News at Night. We've got Fox team coverage for you tonight. Benjamin Hall live on the ground in the Middle East. Howard Kurtz examining the media's spin on the U.S.-Iran showdown. But we begin with correspondent Leland Vittert and that exclusive look inside the U.S. airstrike that took out Soleimani. Good evening, Leland.
Evening, Shannon, to you. And we're learning a lot more about that operation from the beginning to the end that resulted in the death of Qassem Soleimani. It went far beyond a drone strike and included U.S. Army Special Operations soldiers on the ground that actually followed his convoy. This is a picture of the aftermath obtained by Fox News from a member of the U.S. government. The Special Operations soldiers were following Soleimani's convoy from the Baghdad airport and about a half a mile behind when the missile from the Reaper drone hit. They were on the scene within a minute or two. Immediately following the drone strike, they did what in the business is called a bomb damage assessment and took pictures of the scene, along with confirming that the drone got the right car and Soleimani was dead. Many of the pictures we have obtained include graphic and close-up pictures of the Iranian general's body. We're not going to show you those tonight. They're simply too gruesome. He is missing limbs and is grossly disfigured. A source who both served in Iraq and saw the pictures noted that Soleimani died in much the same way the Americans he killed died. This picture is taken from the other direction, showing Soleimani's body burning next to the car. We have blurred the body. Our source indicates the American assets dragged the body from the scene, put the fire out, and then identified the Iranian general. They took pictures of Soleimani's possessions, including poetry books, two of his weapons, both a pistol and assault rifle, along with wads of cash, including Iranian currency with the face of the Ayatollah. Ordinarily, his cell phone and other electronics would be taken for forensic analysis to see who he was talking to. However, as you can see by the charred remains of a phone in the upper left-hand corner of this picture, the Hellfire missile and ensuing fire made that impossible. And to quote Senator Mike Lee, if you see a wounded veteran missing a limb or who is seriously disfigured, the odds are pretty good that they were wounded by an IED that was designed and deployed, Shannon, under the direction of General Soleimani.
Okay, incredible scoop that you got there. People see it here, and we'll have more on the web.
More on the web and a little bit more this weekend as well.
Okay, Leland, thank you.